Hi, it's Ashleigh from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make mousse cookies. Now I know we're a little far out from Christmas still, but with an adorable animal cookie, you can't go wrong. This is also another idea that you can put in your book where you can reuse your cookie cutters for other purposes. So of course, this is a bunny cookie cutter, but I am utilizing it for a mousse. The ears are actually going to be the antlers. I am using my piping and flooding consistency. If you don't know what that is, go ahead and click that right-hand corner where I go a little bit more in depth about that. I am using royal icing today, but you could definitely use these techniques for your icing glaze as well. I just prefer royal icing because I can pop this into the oven so that everything solidifies really, really quickly. All of my icing and sugar cookie recipes are down below in the description box. After piping in this nose area, I'm going to call it, you're going to pipe the top of the head with a little bit of a darker brown. Now the brown color I used previously that's lighter is the exact same shade. I just added a little bit more to the frosting, which made it this dark color. If you're using the AmeriColor line, then this is in chocolate brown to get that nice shade. Then I'm going to add a little bit of a scarf or a collar in red. And now I am adding on all of these little antlers here, and it's really, really easy to do. You'll notice that I am making these white because I'm going to paint them with a little bit of gold later on. Some other colors that might work with this as well is just a really, really light brown. You'll notice that I'm going back and forth on the antler, but everything is turning out super smooth. This is the beauty of having the proper flood and pipe consistency. A little button nose on top, and this is kind of the classic way that I like to do really, really cute faces that don't follow a particular character. Just a little tip, if ever your eyes look a little bit weird or scary, just add a little dot of white in the corner and it'll brighten up the character's eyes. And putting on a little sideways smile just to give our animal a little character. After everything was completely dried, I'm just applying a little bit of gold luster dust on the top here. And I actually don't have that much vodka mixed in with this because I wanted a drier appearance. Here are my little mousse heads. They're so, so adorable. And actually, when I look at these heads, I kind of can see monkeys in them as well. So you could easily change these into monkeys too. The cookies I've been showing you throughout the week were actually part of a larger set. I didn't do a tutorial on those true North Strong and free cookies, but I did ones for the maple leaves if you want to go and check those out. Let's get into the pricing here, and the pricing is very, very straightforward. I would say for this level of detail, it would be $4 Canadian for those mousse heads, especially if they ask you to specifically make that red collar there as well. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the Sweetie fam. Right now, I'm uploading daily, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. Also, be sure to comment, request, or ask a question. I love hearing from you guys.